There's probably a handful of you that just kind of need to hear this, but here's your note about your renovations. The outside comes first. You can talk to me about how the inside's gonna sell, new bathrooms and kitchens. And just this morning I saw a report that I guess most people actually care just about the garage door being new. Boy, I don't know how that became a priority, but guess what? If you don't maintain your siding, wood, vinyl, don't really care, whatever. If you don't maintain the siding, you don't keep a decent roof on it, you're not gonna have a bathroom to put a gold-plated toilet in, okay? Do the outside first. Do yourself a favor. When you get done replacing all of your siding, when you get done painting things, you won't have all this rotted wood, an absolute mess to deal with. And then with confidence and peace, you can proceed in putting in a pot filler. As I say that, I realize I actually have, in this span of time, put in a pot filler before I've done any of this. But I'm not really hiring anybody to do it. And that's just how life threw me. But if you can, any and every time, do the outside first. Or you're not going to have an inside to renovate. Very good. See you on the next go-round, folks.